Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I'm so excited to introduce to you today this incredible keyboard. This is a great option for beginners, but it's also a really fun feature-packed electronic keyboard that's going to be great for even more advanced players and people that are trying to experiment in their musical journey. This is feature-packed. It has so many different things and we are going to talk about all of them. It also comes with a variety of accessories, so it's a great gift option. You just get this and you don't have to worry about picking up everything separately, which makes it a great affordable choice. For example, you've got your little rack for your music, you've got your sustain pedal, you've got your microphone, you've got your headphones, all of these things and more we're going to talk about. So let's get started. I've got Watson here. He's going to help me and we're going to go through a deep dive of all of the reasons why this is a great choice for you.
So first off, let's talk about the keys. We have 61 full-size lighted keys here. They're nicely spaced and give that familiar feel of a traditional piano, which makes transitioning to this keyboard pretty comfortable. And those light-up keys, they're fantastic for learning, a bit like having a personal teacher guiding you note by note. There are two main modes, practice with lights and concert mode. Practice with lights is designed for beginners. When you follow along with the light up keys, it makes learning each note intuitive and a lot more fun. Then there's the concert mode, where you get to play along with background music, giving you the feeling of performing with an orchestra. It's a great touch for building confidence. Sound quality is another big plus. With its 3-watt speakers and advanced digital audio processing technology, the sound that comes out is clear and realistic. It's closer to an acoustic piano than what you typically expect from an electronic keyboard in this range, which is perfect for anyone wanting that authentic feel. Next up, the sound library. This keyboard has a massive selection of 600 built-in tones, 400 rhythms, 50 demo songs, and even 61 percussion instruments. So you can go from a piano sound to an electric guitar, a violin, or even a saxophone. It's fun, flexible, and opens up a world of creativity. There's also a recording and playback feature, so you can save your sessions, listen back, or even start layering the parts. This adds a whole new level for both learning and composing your very own pieces. One feature I really like is this HD LCD display. It's high definition and it provides a clear, intuitive interface for switching between tones and rhythms. Plus, it offers real-time teaching instructions, which is super helpful for keeping track of progress or following along with lessons. And speaking of versatility, this keyboard is loaded with connection options. You can plug in a microphone for singing along, headphones for practicing quietly, and even a sustain pedal. These options give you plenty of ways to use the keyboard without disturbing anyone, which I think is such a bonus, especially for those late night practice sessions. This keyboard really comes with everything you need. A music stand, a sustain pedal, headphones, a microphone. No need to purchase anything separately. It's all here, which is a huge plus if you're on a budget or you just want something that's ready to go. And here's a little bonus for those who want to play anywhere. It's powered by a standard adapter, but you can also use 6 AA batteries, making it completely portable. Imagine taking this to the park, a friend's place, or even a performance.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me and learning more about this incredible electronic keyboard. And thank you for Watson for demonstrating for us his piano skills. We always appreciate help from our editor. So I definitely want to encourage you guys to check out all the links in the description below. This is a perfect holiday idea. Whether there is someone in your life that has expressed interest in learning some more about piano, or you just have a music lover that you know would have so much fun experimenting with all the wide variety of features. This is an all-in-one set that is going to be so much fun for so many different people. I love this. I think it's a great idea. And as always, you guys, learning a new skill and learning music is something that just helps expand your brain. It's going to leave you more flexible and happier just with your newfound skills and confidence. This is a perfect way to do that. It takes up relatively no space. It's really versatile, compact, easy to move from room to room or space to space. I love this one. I know that you guys are going to love it as well. Go ahead, get to those links and get to shopping. Adios, amigos.